Welcome back to Tuttio Monster, and today I'm going to be riding the trails with my Tuttio. So, I found this really nice trail, and I've been riding it for the past few days, and it's awesome. But like, before I start ripping up this trail, I would like to set a goal if we can get 500 subs before the end of July. Because I think that is a reasonable goal, and I think we can do it. So, I'd really appreciate it if you guys would like and subscribe. It helps a lot, and it's free. You don't have to if you don't want to. I'm just saying. But anyways, back to riding this trail. So let's start ripping it up. Bro, the Tuttio just ripped up this trail like it's nothing. Light for the Tuttio. So you guys might have seen my latest post of me walking my bike home because it died. My bike died like halfway on this trail, and I had to walk it all the way back, like 2 miles. And it sucked, and it was in a blazing heat. Like, because I was ripping through, trying to burn the battery as fast as possible on this trail, which is kind of my fault that it died, because I was not looking at the battery. But now today I know, so I'm gonna like actually be careful. This is like my first video from long form content, so yeah. Hold on, bro, look how glorious the Tuttio is, bro. I still can't believe that you get this much for $1,400. Like, this is the Tuttio, bro. My next upgrade is probably gonna be a smaller sprocket, like a 53 tooth sprocket, because I feel like I want more top speed than I do like torque. So I'm gonna get a 53 tooth sprocket for the Tuttio, and then I might get a surround throttle next. So yeah. Actually not that bad. It's just pretty rocky, but other than that, it's pretty flat. Something hit my helmet or my visor. What was that? Did you guys see that? Oh, look at all that smoke. Yeah, I'm gonna save some battery. I'm gonna go on eco. I'm not trying to kill my battery in like 6 miles. This trail will burn your battery up so quickly, like it's not even funny. Like, I was on this trail for like 20 minutes and my battery was already dead. It's pissed me off so much because I just got on this trail and my bike died. Like, the one thing I wish that Tuttio had was a 60-volt battery, because the range would be like so much better with a 60-volt. Because this 48 volt's nice, but it's not, the range is not that good. You know what I mean? Wow. The trail's nice. Also, like, do you guys have any recommendations for like video ideas and stuff like that? Because I have been running out of video ideas, and you know, I just haven't been posting that much because I don't have any ideas for videos. So if you guys could comment down below like what I should do, that would help a lot. But yeah, kind of want to go see what's over here. Yeah, I'm gonna go see. Come on, put some gas on that. Oh, wait, this might not be bad. I've been off-roading this thing a lot more lately. Oh, I'm not going over here. Nah. Wait, actually, shoot, I don't know. It's kind of rough. Yeah, fine, I'll do it. I'll do it just because. I don't really like this part of the trail. It's not that good. But I'll do it just because. For the content. Cause I got nothing else better to do than ride an e-bike. I don't really like this one though. Guys, I'm also trying to get a collab with Tuttio G&G. I've asked multiple times for a collab, and Tuttio G&G just hasn't said anything about it. So if y'all could like spam Tuttio G&G in the comments for a collab, that would be amazing. Because that would be a really good collab, and I'm trying to get bigger and grow as a channel. So any help from bigger content creators is nice. Because I've been trying to grow on YouTube. So, yeah. Oh, this little gravel trail doesn't look bad. Or that hill. I don't know. I kind of want to climb that hill. There's so much construction going on in my area. Wait. Tell me it's already at 4. Never mind. It's not. Wait, I actually kind of... I think I might turn around because I want to see like the rest of the trail. Alright, so it just leads back. So I'm gonna turn